The sweet carbonated drink Coca-Cola became in the 20th century one of the symbols of the United States of America. In this country, everyone from trailer campers to billionaires, from preschoolers to the elderly drank it. With the help of the ubiquitous Hollywood, the fashion for Coca-Cola swept the world. The secret recipe for Coca-Cola. Last but not least, the drink's frenzied popularity was due to an ingenious advertising device. The owners of the Coca-Cola company started a rumor that a mysterious ingredient was used to make the drink. Its secret is kept in a bank vault, which only the company's board of directors can open when they all get together. The story goes that many spies paid with their lives, but they were never able to get the top secret ingredient. The story of the invention of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was invented by a pharmacist from the city of Atlanta in 1886. You should know that the American pharmacy is not just a retail outlet that sells medicines. It combines our usual pharmacy with a cosmetic store and an ice cream parlor, and there are even tables for visitors. So Pemberton, the pharmacist, once concocted a syrup from coca leaves, which the Indians have long used to invigorate them, and cola nuts. The syrup became popular in town as an additive to sparkling water. Business went so well that a company was founded to produce Coca-Cola on an industrial scale. The fortunate combination of Coca-Cola and Santa Claus's kindly Christmas grandfather raised the drink's notoriety to a national level. But the biggest stroke of luck was the agreement made between the owners of Coca-Cola and McDonald's, which tied the two companies together and elevated them to the pinnacle of success. That's when the legend about the secret ingredient, as if written down by the hand of old Pemberton himself, came in handy. The legend is unmasked. But secrets don't last long these days. One day a company wanted to sell Coca-Cola in Turkey. The trade, like everywhere else, was going great, but one day the St. Nicholas Foundation, a respected organization in that country, drew attention to it. The foundation went to court to demand compliance with Turkish law, which requires that all ingredients of a food product must be listed on the label without exception. That's when the world found out. The famous secret ingredient of Coca-Cola is the red food dicochineal, which is obtained by processing small insects, cochineal cutworms. They have long been used as a food coloring that is added to a number of products, creams, lollipops, and even wine. In addition to wheatgrass, lemon, cinnamon, orange, nutmeg and several other oils are used as flavorings, the composition of which varies depending on the type of beverage. Modern Coca-Cola. The composition of modern Coca-Cola, unfortunately, is very different from the original recipe. In the vast majority of cases, you won't find any coca leaf extract or cola nuts in it. They've been replaced by flavorings identical to natural. And the dye from ground bugs has been successfully replaced with a cheaper product of modern chemistry. According to the label, today's carbonated Coca-Cola contains sugar dye, carbon dioxide, carmazine, caffeine flavorings, orthophosphoric acid. Especially useful of this list is orthophosphoric acid, a substance that is one of the strongest solvents. Of course, in the recipe it is contained in a microscopic dose, but when buying another bottle of Coca-Cola, it is worth remembering that this drink is the best remedy for restoring the shine of metal surfaces. Automotive mechanics use Coca-Cola to loosen rusted nuts. Just pour the soda over the part and wait. And American policemen use a can of Coke to remove blood stains from their clothes. Of course, everyone has the right to decide for himself what he will drink or eat. But at the very least, knowing what his favorite drinks are made of is not only his right, but also his responsibility.